Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to tap on About Phone. Now we have to localize the special number. Usually it is called build number, however, probably it is not called build number right here. Let me localize it. I believe it will be the software version. So let's try to keep tapping on it. As you can see, this is the number. So let's keep tapping on the software version until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter system and updates. And at the bottom of the list, in this last section, we've got the developer options, so let's tap. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can disable H and W overlays, we can show layout bounds, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected with the networking, etc. So quite a lot of options. And if you want, you can turn on the option just by tapping on the switcher on it. You can turn it off in the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top. Hello? Okay. That was a misclick, and as you can see, the developer options will immediately disappear from system and updates. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the software version step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.